Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to deactivate users. So basically in Salesforce, you cannot delete users for many reasons. Basically, if you delete a user, you can lose many records or many data of your organization and your operations. So even if you want or a user is no longer part of the organization, it had some relation as a user of or tasks or anything with many other objects. So basically, if you delete the user, would provide or would create many problems. So instead of deleting the user, you will be able to simply deactivate the user, and it will the account or the user won't be able to do any more additional operations in your organization. So basically, you need just to go to setup and search for the users and click or choose your user, and after that we will need just to deactivate it. So in setup, in quick find, we search for users, click on users, and after that we need just to find the user that you want to delete or deactivate, and make sure that the active checkbox is unchecked. So I'm going to edit this user, and here we will find this list of options, and basically in this active, make sure it is inactive or unchecked. So here, as you can see, the activating users removes them from sharing, and you will be able to transfer this user records. So as you can see, these records would still be commuted or related to this user, and of course use and view the username on the user page since it has done some operations, etc. So what you need to do is just to deactivate it, and that's it. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.